How to create a SoundCloud account. What is up everybody, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily create your SoundCloud account. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right into the video. The very first thing that you need to do is open up your web browser. Now on your address bar, you are just going to go ahead and search for SoundCloud login or sign up. And once you do that, you can just go ahead and enter. From here, hit the first link that you see. You will be taken to the official website of SoundCloud. And here you'll just have to wait for the website to load. And once the website is loaded, you first have an option to sign in right here on top if you already have an account. And if you don't have one, you can create a new one. So just tap on create account. You can simply enter your email address or profile URL right here. You could also continue with your Facebook account, your Google account, or Apple ID. Now just tap on continue. Now if you are logging in, it will say welcome back, but if you're new to the SoundCloud app, you will get a verification email on your email. You'll just have to enter the verification code and simply set your password or enter your password here. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.